So now we have our sediment. This is considered sediment. You're going to go ahead and take your scissors or the plastic knife that I've passed out to you. Very carefully, you're going to make sediment with your rocks with the process of what? Weathering and erosion. Very good. Now, what is the next step with this rock cycle? Very good. We're going to try to make sedimentary rock. So we're going to go from sediment to sedimentary rock. Now, how do we make sedimentary rock? How does sedimentary rock form? Through compaction and sedimentation. Very good.
So we're going to give a little bit of compaction. We're going to form it together. This is compaction and sedimentation. Like, everyone go ahead and say that with me. Compaction and sedimentation. Very good. So this is considered a what? A sedimentary rock. Very good. We just took our sediment, we used compaction and sedimentation to make a sedimentary rock. Very good, guys. So we have our sedimentary rock, and we want to go to the next part of this rock cycle. What is the next type of rock? Metamorphic rock. Very good. How do we get to metamorphic rock? Through heat and pressure. Very good. So we're going to go ahead and add some heat and pressure. We're going to add some heat and pressure. We're going to move it around. Some friction. That's some heat. Very good. Just go ahead and push that all together. This is heat and pressure being added. Go ahead and keep adding that heat and pressure. Very good. Now let's see what it looks like.
Very good. What can you tell me about what this looks like? Looks kind of marbleized? Yeah, very good. Has pretty colors, pretty swirls. Awesome. Very good. Yeah, good job. Okay, so this is called what again? Metamorphic rock. And how did we get from sedimentary rock to metamorphic rock again? Through heat and pressure. Very good, guys. Okay, so now we're going to take our metamorphic rock and we are going to do what? What's the next step? What's the next type of rock? Well, the next type of rock is igneous. Very good. So how do we get to igneous rock? What has to happen? Melting. Very good. So we're going to have to melt this metamorphic rock. So I'd like everyone to go ahead and take some tin foil.
Let's place it on your desk. And we're going to make a little bowl. So we're going to make a little bowl with our tin foil. The reason being is because I'm going to take all of your metamorphic rocks and we're going to put them into this metal bowl, into your own individual metal bowl. And I'm going to put it on the hot plate. This is going to symbolize melting because when I put it on the hot plate, it's going to get really, really hot and it's going to heat up our rock and it's going to melt our rock. Now, when it does melt...
What's another name for melted rock? Magma. Very good, very good. So we're going to go ahead and make sure you make your bowl, your metal bowl, and put your rock inside of it, and I'm going to melt each individual person's, and we'll see what it looks like. And this is our magma.
So after melting our metamorphic rock, it turns into magma. Now, when it starts to cool, as it already is, it's starting to cool, what will it turn into? When our magma starts to cool, what will it turn into?
Igneous rock. Awesome. Good job, guys. So right now we have igneous rock. It has cooled down. This is considered igneous rock. Very good. Okay, so what would happen if we were to break it? What process would we call it once we break our igneous rock into little itty bitty pieces? Oh, that's metal. What would happen? What would we call this process when this breaks? Weathering and erosion. Very good. And when this breaks, when weathering and erosion takes place, what does it turn into? That's right, sediment. That's right. So our igneous rock turns into sediment and the cycle starts all over again. Awesome job, guys.